Hello everybody, my name is Kenyor, and in this video I would like to show us the magnetic coupling system I designed. So if you look through here, you'll see that there's nothing connecting this guy with this guy. But we can actually manipulate this other guy by using these magnets. So if we had a whole lot of other motors here, we could control all of them by just using one. Uh, so if we were to harvest voltages from all of these devices, if we had just 5 volts spin this guy, we could harvest a whole lot of voltage from other systems combined. And as we tweak the speed, as we change the speed, we will also get um, different returns in voltages, which makes it look like a very beautiful harvest split or harvest system. So um, I'm not the first to build this, right? But I'm the first to design this way. And my idea I got from my mentor, Ivan Levy, few years ago. Ivan Levy of Howley Magnetics um, got his patent uh, for a similar system like this one. And I was really inspired when I saw his video online, and I studied, made my own research, and I decided to join him. I reached out to him, and I told him I would like to actually, you know, join him, how to actually join his team and all of that. At the moment, he was looking for funding, so discussions were a little bit on the outer layout things. But I really wanted to get my hands dirty. I really wanted to work. I really wanted to research. So I had to move on. So I kind of was able to do some few research, and I developed my system on paper. So I wrote to a company called Innovation Home. Innovation Home is a US company that helps you get your patent if you're not in the US. So I wrote to them and I told them that I would love to get patent for my idea for the new design I had made. So they gave me a quota, a package, a list rather of all their packages, and in that list, the range was between hundreds to thousands of dollars for each of the different packages. So I couldn't afford it because here in Nigeria, I work in a month, I make between 50 to 70 US dollars. That's if you convert it. And even if I have to save for 10 years, I mean, I wouldn't make, I won't be able to pay so that I can get them file all of those things. So I moved on to see how I can get funding for some of my ideas, and I was advised to get an LLC in the States. The problem with that also was that he needed some set of funding to some company to help me acquire or get my name fully registered in a particular state in the United States of America. And that also has some downside. So I wasn't able to get patent. I wasn't able to um, register the company, and I was stranded and frustrated. Let me put it that way. A few days ago, I was just talking to my brother that I'm getting really frustrated about everything, and that's why I'm making this video, um, so that in the years to come, it will be that I tried something, I did something. Um, yep. So a few months ago, What happened was I kind of participated in a coding contest, and I won. I had some little change, and I said, okay, it's time to try something. So I went on AliExpress, and Harvey, uh, Ivan, Ivan Levy used some set of magnets, some concave magnets here or that. But I also discovered that those magnets are very expensive, and I couldn't afford those ones. So I went on AliExpress and I bought this set of magnets, as you can see. Um, so let me just pull out one for you to see. So you can see, right, just some rectangular magnets that have holes. Um, so I bought them, and I bought some bearing, and I put them all through the bearing, as you can see here. I used some plastic there to maintain the circular shape, as you can see right there, and all the screws going through there. And then you can see the bearing down here on. So I made this other system, as you can see here. Screwed it all through with the bolts and nuts, and everything looks good, at least for this test run. So I'm making this video because if I can't get a patent, if I can't get an LLC, I should at least show the world my idea. If it's written someday, I tried something, I did something, and that's why I'm making this video. And also, it's an appeal to because I really want to compete on a playing field. I want to compete on a playing field. I believe that this idea can solve the power crisis in Nigeria, where individuals can not only generate their energy but efficiently use it. And I believe that a voltage amplification system designed out of this will go a long way. I already have the idea all booked down, and I would love to submit. I have a whole lot of ideas. I would love to submit for to get patent on in the States. So the one of the things I'm trying to push is to see how I just don't get funding for research, but I get funding in such a way that I can start to produce things. But anyways, anyone I can get at the moment to help me, you know, um, get a lab at least and continue this work will go a long way. Now, a quick disclaimer: this video is not to um, dishonor my mentor Ivan Levy. It is just to show that I've been able to come up with a similar system using a different design pattern. Though really similar with his, but I mean this is extremely very cheap and anybody can do it in their backyard. Yeah. So thank you very much, and once again, my name is Kenyor, and I'm hoping to share more about some of the things I have built and some of the things I intend to build in the future.